Bryce.
Wait, I'm standing on someone's grave.
It's okay. Come help me pick this up.
Is this someone's grave?
Huh? That's alright. Come and help me pick this up. Okay? With the gloves, come and help me pick it up and put it right. Okay? Let's just move it. Let's just come and help me.
Where does it go?
We can just put it right here.
Yes, it was from here.
Okay. Now I want you to help me. Come. Pick up. You pick with both arms and put it
Very
down
nice.
over there.
You know what? How about you take this one, I'll take that.
Okay.
So beautiful.
Bless you.
Good.
Listen.
Bryce, come.
I'm coming. I'm picking it up.
Okay. Pick it up.
I'm trying.
Okay. Now just go put it somewhere neat.
I don't want to step on this person.
Okay, step over it.
I can't do that. It's gonna be...
Okay. Bryce, this is showing respect.
Oh yeah, he gets it, honey.
Look. Bryce, come here.
Yes.
Look now. See this?
Yeah?
This is part of somebody's grave.
What? Where's it
Yes.
go?
Good. Come, help me take this. Come. Come and help me take it.
Oh.
Okay? We're going to lift this out.
What?
Yes.
You can't look that out.
We're going to try.
God knows how big that is.
Bryce, we're going to try. The people that are buried here don't have children to do this for them. So it's our job. Okay?
He is roots in it.
That's okay. We'll get it. See, if they had children, their children could have done this. But they don't have children. Okay? You know what happened to their children?
What?
Huh?
What happened?
You know where we just were?
Yeah?
They took all their children
Oh,
over there.
this one.
They took all their children over there,
Take
Bryce.
the one. Don't. Oh God, this place didn't.
No, I didn't. It's fine.
Be careful of them.
Okay.
This one just sliced
Okay.
in half.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I want to
Okay,
slice it in
come. Help me pick this out.
I'm trying. I'm doing this first.
Okay? So, where we just were, they took their children over there and they killed their children.
In that exact place they killed
Yes?
them?
Yes. So they don't have anybody to go and do this for them. So it's our job. Okay?
I thought start with take somewhere on your own.
Okay.
I'll
You
see
know
if
what?
we
We actually need some equipment to do this.
Yeah, we.
Let's
that's what I'm saying.
let's
We
try and
can't
find a different one. You know what? Let's just pick up some of these bricks and put them where they're supposed to be.
Where is it supposed to be?
Here. We just stack them where they're supposed to be. Can you do that with me? Can you try and pick some of these up?
Okay.
Yeah. Just
Can you just lift it to me? Because I don't want to go down there.
Okay. You do that. You just pick up one more stone and just put it right. Okay? Anyway, where it's neat.
Well, where it's neat would probably feel here.
Okay.
I'm guessing.
Now I want you to say Kaddish and sing Hatikva. Please. Again. Yes. Again.
I think he's saying Kaddish tomorrow at another grave thing,
Yes.
right? Yeah, maybe just Hatikva would be good.
Just the tip.
Kaddish and Hatikva. I'm asking you.
They just won. I've done a lot.
Right?
Daddy. So. Daddy. Daddy.
Please.
I know, if you don't let me talk, I can't do it.
Grant, it is written. Why you don't want to say for Novoset family? Just he
Because-
will tell in Papilé for this what you did in Papilé, but
Why don't you do it?
yeah,
Where's the Kaddish?
here.
How about you do the Kaddish and I do?
Will you do it with me?
How about you do the Kaddish and I do with the Kaddish?
Come, do it with me.
I'm going to record it.
Okay.
Yes, I am doing.
Yitkadav, Yitkadash, Meirada, Eamra, Divra, Kimte, Yamit, Te, Echayahon, Uvizemehon,
ובחיי דכל בית ישראל, בעגלה ובזמן קריב, ואמרו אמן. יהי שמי רבם ברך לעולם ומי ומיה, יתברך וישתבח, ויתפאר ויתרומם ויתנשא, ויתהדר ויתעלה, ויתהלל שמי קדושה ברכו. לעילה מכל ברכתה ושירתה תשבחתה ונחמתה. דמירן ועולמי. Wait, what's this?
U'amru,
Alma v'imru amen.
Yehi Shmei Rabba, Min Shmei
Shmei
V'chayam Aleinu V'chol
v'chol Israel v'imru amen. Oseh shalom b'imroma, hu yaseh shalom aleinu, ela kol Yisrael v'imru amen. Yaseh shalom, yaseh shalom, shalom aleinu v'chol Israel.
Yaseh Shalom, Yaseh Shalom, Shalom Aleinu V'chol Yisrael.
Okay, now sing Hatikva. Loud and proud. Loud and proud.
Seriously?
Yes. Kolot balev penima nefesh yehudi
Chomia Ufateliza
kadima
Hayin Etzion Sophia Lo Hafta Tikvateinu Hatikva Shlotam Bayi
liadam chofshi ve'aseinu Eretz Zion Yerushalayim liadam chofshi ve'aseinu Eretz Zion Yerushalayim.
Nachon, יופי.
Now